We have
in the middle of my hand. I put it down and then it made a heart in the middle. And then I left and said bye.
Who'd you say bye to?
No one. Train attackers. Yippee! Thanks! I'm really excited. Is it a moose one?
Brooklyn, you want to have a sleepover tonight?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. What do you mean, kind of?
I don't really.
You don't?
I do, though.
You do?
This isn't for you.
Who's it for?
It's for me.
For you?
Bye-bye.
You can't drink beer.
That's a nice trout card.
I love you too.
Thank you for the window stickers and the soap that sings to me.
We can't understand you.
Sandwich. I love my first sandwich. Best dad ever. I love you.
I'm the best.